Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to show you how to make your strawberry filling that will not run down the sides of your cakes. This strawberry filling can also double as your strawberry jam. It is healthier and tastes better and more natural than store-bought. It's super easy to make, and if you're interested, just keep on watching. To make your delicious strawberry filling, you need I'll be dropping it into the other bowl of water, and in this bowl of water I'm also going to add my vinegar into it, so that makes 2 bowls of water with vinegar. And this is not going to be the last bowl, but just watch how I'm going to do this. Now when your strawberries are frozen and you are doing this method, which is transferring it from the first bowl of water, removing the leaves and putting it in the next bowl of water, you will notice that your strawberries Other bowl, I'm going to measure half cup of sugar. This is white granulated sugar, and you can go a little bit less, but be careful as the sugar is very important in making this strawberry filling. So into my clean pot, I'm adding the sugar first in no particular order, and I'm going to pour in the strawberry. Now I'm going to add 1/8 cup of water. I'm going to use this to rinse with the sugar and the strawberries. And now we're going to take it into the kitchen over the stove top on medium heat. So I'm just giving this a stir, and now I'm going to take it into the kitchen. Now our strawberry filling is cooking up. You can see the heat I'm using is not too high. Okay, so you want to continue stirring this, or you can leave it for like a minute, but make sure you keep an eye on it. Don't leave the kitchen for any reason. Watch closely, because in the next 2 minutes or less than 2 minutes, your strawberry filling will already start to cook from the sides. Okay, and you need to move it around. You need to mix it all up. So it has started cooking from the side. You can see what I mentioned. So now you bring the sides inwards, just mix it all up, and you notice that the sugar at this point has melted. How will you know that the sugar has melted completely? It would start to have this shine. You can see it has cooked down and it has this shine. At this point, this is about 4 minutes, and your strawberry filling is ready. But we are not done yet. Okay, I still want the strawberry to produce more jam. I want it to produce more of the strawberry filling, and I want it to get a little softer. So you taste it at this point to know if the strawberry is very soft. And at this point, you're going to add another 1/8 cup of water and give this a stir. If you want to use this filling or this strawberry sauce for your cheesecake topping or filling, you can put it off at this point. But I'm going to cook it a little bit more, until I taste the strawberry chunks and I realize that it's jammy, like it feels like jam, or the texture is like jam, very soft. And it's at that point that I will know that, okay, the strawberry is ready. If you haven't gotten to that point where it feels like jam, when you taste a chunk of the strawberry and it tastes like jam, or it's very soft like jam, you need to add a little bit more water and then give it a stir and allow it still cook a little bit. Okay, so we are not adding we're not adding too much water from the beginning and then we're waiting for it to cook and all of that. No, this recipe comes together very quickly. At this point, just give it a stir and leave it for another 1 minute, making it 5 minutes. It is soft at this point, and even with my spatula, you can see that I can easily mash my strawberry and it would, smoothen if I want it smooth. But I would leave it this way, and when I'm done, I would package it. I don't want the strawberry filling to be totally smooth, but I'm still going to mash it up a little bit. So for your filling, this is perfect. You only need to cook it until the water evaporates a little bit more. But if you want to make it into a jam, then you would make sure that you smoothen it out a little bit more, which you would see the outcome shortly. I'm just cooking it until the water evaporates a little bit more. We're almost there. I'm just going to cook it a little bit more until the color becomes darker. Okay. spread, for any kind of spread, for any kind of toppings, for your for whatever reason, you know, even for your children. Then you can keep it in your fridge for about 2 weeks to 3 weeks. And this is how beautiful our jam looks. If you enjoyed watching, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you and have a blessed week.